boys and girls, it's Mrs. Schroeder, and for today in math, we will be working on Chapter 11, Lesson 8. You will need pages 667 all the way to 672 in your math books. If you keep it in your math book, perfectly fine. If you keep the pages in your book, that's fine. If you tear them out, that's also fine. You'll need a pencil and I'm going to say some crayons. Just grab a box of crayons. Doesn't matter what color they are. All right, I'm going to get right into this, boys and girls. Okay, so we were talking about composite shapes. Echo me, composite shapes. Composite shapes. Good. So composite shapes is when you take small shapes, put them together to make a bigger shape. Well, we're going to do some problem solving today to figure out what shapes are we missing. We're going to trace the sides and then name the shape. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, let's get started. So I am looking at my cat. On my cat, I see the face. Now, you guys would have your attribute blocks in front of you, but because you don't, I'm going to be using mine to figure out what shapes make that face. All right, so we have our cat's head. Let's count how many sides we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. What shape has 6 sides and 6 vertices? Think about it. Equals 6. Equals 6. Hex equals 6. Good. What shape is this? Did you say hexagon? Awesome job. Echo me, hexagon. Now what I want you to do is grab your pencil. Let's trace the hexagon and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. All right, now let's look at the ears. What shape make up the ears? Let's count how many sides. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What shape has 3 sides? What's the name of the shape? Triangle. Good. Echo me, triangle. All right, I'm going to put my attribute blocks right in here, move them around to figure out. Yep, that is the shape of a triangle. Go ahead, grab your pencil, and let's trace the triangles on the cat's head and count how many sides. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. All right, boys and girls, the reason why I told you to grab your crayons is because after this video, you can actually go back and color in the shapes, okay? So I'm going to show you an example. You're not going to do it right now. You're going to wait until the video is over. So let's just say I want a yellow crayon. I'm going to go back in. I'm going to trace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and color in a little bit better the shape. All right, boys and girls, let's move on. You can turn your paper over. Awesome. All right, what shapes are missing? I'm looking at this shape here. Well, what 2 shapes do they kind of look like? I'm looking at this point, and that tells me that what probably goes there? A triangle. Good. Well, let's try it. Let's see if it is a triangle. I have my attribute block. I'm going to put it in the front. Does that work? Yeah, it does. We have a triangle. Okay, well, what 2 shapes make my next shape? 2 squares make a rectangle. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, now we're going to draw them on the side. Let's draw our triangle first. Remember, it has 3 sides. 1, pick up your pencil. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Now we had our composite shape. Our composite shape was a rectangle which has 2 long and 2 short sides. What 2 shapes did we use to make the composite shape of a rectangle? Square! Thanks! Let's draw 2 squares. Remember, on our squares, our sides are equal to, so they have to be the same size. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done, boys and girls. And remember, after this video, if you would like to go back, you can draw your 2 squares and your triangle by using your crayons and coloring them in. So, for example, I'm going to use green, and I want to color it in now. 1, 2, 3, color it in. Then I'm going to go back, grab a different color crayon, and we're going to draw our 2 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Color it in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Color it in. Now yours is going to look a little bit different than mine. All right, let's do one more. All right, boys and girls, I have a little caterpillar. I want to figure out what shapes go in my caterpillar. Well, I'm going to use my attribute blocks to figure it out and see. Will this work? That doesn't look right, but if I move, does it work? Yeah, all I had to do was move it around. Okay, well, let's try this. Move it, tell me when to stop. Does that work too? Absolutely. Boys and girls, let's count how many sides this shape has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the name of the shape that has 6 sides and 6 vertices? Think about it. Equals 6. Hex. Good. Echo me, hexagon. Let's try to draw our 2 hexagons. If you can't do it, that is A-okay. Just try your best. As long as you are trying, you never know. You actually may be able to draw it. Are you ready? All right, grab those pencils. Here we go. Draw a line up and down. Side. Curve in. You got this. Curve out. Bring them together. There we go. You did it. I mean, mine's not perfect, but I tried my best. Let's try it again. This time I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boys and girls, does that even look like a hexagon, really? No, that's okay. I did my best. I drew 6 sides to let you know that it is a hexagon. It doesn't have to be perfect, but practice makes perfect. All right, boys and girls, thanks for working with me. All I want you to do is finish your homework, and that is all. Thanks for joining, my friends. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.